Ever wondered why some people can easily convince others while you struggle? It's not magic, it's psychology. Here's how you can make people agree with you. Step 1. The power of listening. Most people don't really listen. They just wait for their turn to talk. But if you truly listen, people feel valued and they become more open to your ideas. Step 2. The yes ladder. Start with small agreements. If someone says yes to simple things, they're more likely to say yes to bigger ideas. It's a psychological trick that works like magic. Step 3. Mirror their energy. People like those who are like them. If they speak softly, do the same. If they're excited, match their energy. This builds trust and connection. Step 4. Give benefits, not just arguments. Instead of saying, you should do this, say, this will make your life easier, save you time, or bring you success. People don't care about what you want, they care about what benefits them. Master these steps, and you'll see a huge difference in how people respond to you. Try it out and tell me. Did it work? Drop a comment below. Follow for more psychological hacks that make life easier.